I am filming.
Clothes and stuff too. Nice.
I'm gonna bring this out for Larry.
We're getting so proficient at it, this family.
I forgotten that gesture existed until just reminded me. Put it on before you close. You haven't really tried yet.
Thanks, they're correct.